how to change the text to speech language on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. Now in here, tap on accessibility. Then tap on vision enhancements. After that, we scroll down and tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. After that, scroll down and tap on text to speech settings. In here, tap on language. And by default, it is set to use system language. Scroll down the list and select a preferred language that you would like to use. And that's it. So here I'm going to choose English, United States. And you can tap on the play button to have a preview.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.